for starters.
Oh, I might be able to make you out there.
Really?
I've loved having you here and everything, but I suppose you'll be sooner or later.
You get completely blooded.
You think Mummy's hiccup's funny?
Then you still end up looking pretty much. Bushy too. Oh, terrible. What is it? You stay there. You measure a good night. Stayed out now if we packed the company, and last night it was pretty high. He said some very thought-provoking things today. Next time my whole world falls apart.